In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create upsell and add-on options for your prints. Now, an upsell or add-on option is anything that your clients can add to a standard print. For example, they might want to upgrade their print to a canvas print, or they might want to change the paper types. You can even make it so that an upsell option allows your clients to download a digital copy of the image for a discounted price if they've purchased a print as well. So to get started, we're going to go into the Selling tab, and then into the Purchase Options page. At the top of the Purchase Options page, I'm going to click Create New Purchase Option, and I'm going to select Upsells and Add-ons. On the first page that comes up, you're going to give your basic product, which I'm going to call Paper Types. Give it a short description. Let's just select a paper type for your print. And then you're going to select which galleries that this particular upsell option is going to be available on. I'm going to select all of my different gallery types and click Next. Once the page refreshes, it's going to ask you to create options for the upsell product that you just created. I'm going to go ahead and click Create New, and I'm going to make my first option Glossy Paper. For the description, I'm just going to type Glossy Paper as well. And then down below, it's going to ask you for a price for this particular option for when someone wants to add this upsell option to a print. Now, glossy paper doesn't usually cost anything extra when compared to other paper types, so I'm going to give it a price of 0. And this is added on top of the original purchase price. These are all my prints, and my print sets and packages aren't going to get this option, so I'm going to save this. When the page refreshes, I'm going to add a second upsell option. For this one, I'll make Deep Matte, and I'll give it a description of Deep Matte paper. Again, it asks me to provide a price for whenever somebody orders the Deep Matte upgrade option, and since Deep Matte does cost extra, I'm going to go ahead and add a price to these. So for my 20 by 24 prints, I'm going to charge an extra $7 for Deep Matte, $5 on my 16 by 20s, $3 on my 11 by 14s, $2, $1, and $1 also on my 4 by 6s. Now this price is added to the original purchase price. So for example, if an 8 by 10 print originally cost $12, adding this add-on option for $2 is going to make the print cost $14. I'll save this, and when the page refreshes, I'll add a third option. I'll add luster paper in the description as well. And luster doesn't cost extra, so I'm just going to put $0 for luster as well. I'll save my option, and when the page refreshes, you'll see the 3 options that I've created for this upsell product. Now if we go to our storefront and we look at one of the images, I'll click Add to Cart, and you can see this is what's displayed before those upsell options have been added. If I click plus here, I can add an additional item to my cart, but I don't get any additional options for it. So we'll cancel this. I'll refresh the page. I'll click Add to Cart once again, and now when I click the plus icon here, it gives me a paper types option. Clicking this information bubble will show our description, and clicking on the paper types will allow us to select from the options that we created for the upsell product. I'll add that item to my cart. Now let's go add one more upsell option, and this one is going to be a digital download. So we'll scroll to the top, click Create a New Purchase option, add an upsell option. I'm going to call it a digital download. Add a digital download to your purchase for a discounted price. I'm going to make this one available on all my different gallery types as well. And I'm going to create just one option. High resolution digital download. I'm going to select that it is an instant download, and it's going to be a full resolution instant download. For my description, I'm going to put add a full resolution digital copy of this image to your order for a discounted price. Now coming down here, I'm going to say if they order a 20 by 24 print, I'm going to allow them to have this digital copy for just $11.99. If they order a 16 by 20 print, it's going to be $12.99 If they order an 11 by 14, it's going to be $14.99. And I'll do similar things down a couple of other print sizes. And for the 4 by 6, I'm going to charge them $20.99 if they want to add a digital image to that purchase. Once the item's been saved, the page will refresh and you'll see my new option here. We'll jump back to my client gallery. I'll refresh the page once again. And I'll go back to the cart options. And now there's also a high resolution digital download option in addition to my paper types. If I select the high resolution digital download option, it adds that price to my item. Save that, and you can view it in our cart. They've ordered glossy paper and the high resolution digital download. And that's how the add-ons and upsell options work. If you have any questions, shoot us an email to support@instaproofs.com.